Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Play by Sephora. This is just a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month, and you get 6 sample size products in here, and they're higher end luxury brands. And this is the inside of the box for $10. It's really not a bad subscription. So this month's theme is, I guess, about the Zodiac Stress Busting Beauty Chart. So we don't want to look at what we're getting. So here is the little baggie. They used to give little drawstring bags. I think I got like one. And then they switched to these because environmental friendly. I don't know, because I would think sending little baggies with me and not plastic bags. Work hard, play harder. Okay, so our first item is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. So I really like It Cosmetics, and I like the confidence in the cream. So I don't know, I will probably like this. So right here it is. You are getting 0.169 flow ounces, 5 milliliters. Oh, I didn't think I was going to get it. So here's the inside. It's got a blue tint to it. It does feel really, really good. I love that feeling. I don't really smell nothing. And what's it supposed to do? It smooths, brightens, and depuffs your eyes. So I could use this, especially in the mornings. That's why I'm having trouble getting it off. Okay, so you just really twist and pull. Okay. So our next product, Philosophic. This is Amazing Grace. It is a 1.5 milliliters. And you got 0.05 flow ounces and ingredients, alcohol, and they don't really say nothing about it. There's what the bottle looks like. So we'll just smell it. I like it, but give me a minute, because you know how perfume is, you gotta give it a minute. So then it changes. It's got a good smell to it. Not one of my favorites, but it will do. Okay, Smashbox. And this is the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. You get 0.25 flow ounces, which is 20 milliliters. Now, I've used this, I don't know how many different times. I've not used it in a long time. It is right here. Does my hand look better? I don't know. It's supposed to burn lines. I don't know. I just don't use this anymore. I haven't used it in forever. So maybe I will add this back to my routine. Okay, so then we got Glam Glow. This is the Super Mud Cleaning Treatment. And we got 0.5 flow ounces, which is 15 grams. I love Glam Glow. I think they're really, really good skincare. I got a bunch of their masks. I've used their cleaning, some of their I don't know, a bunch of different items. They're really good. So it's right here. It's just like, it is the Super Mud Activated Charcoal Treatment Mask. Okay. Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D in Trooper Black, which is a good liner. I don't know, mine feels a little not as black as my other one is. So I like that, even though I don't need it. I've just got a full size of Kat Von D. And this is the, I know it's Lancome, 0.0 flow ounces. It's the CILS Booster Extra Large. It's just a mascara base to be used before you put your mascara on to add more length and volume to your lashes. And I actually have already got one, and I do believe I got it from Sephora Play, so that's like a repeat. Okay, so normally with Sephora Play you don't get no full-size products. They used to, like, normally you used to get a bottle of perfume like every time, and a lipstick, but I don't think I've got a lipstick from Sephora Play in like ever. And this is probably, and I ain't really got no perfume from them in a long time either. My favorite product is probably the Bye Bye under eye cream, and then the Glam Glow, and then the liner. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a 4, 3.5, because like this is like a super old product. Then the Lancome, I've got it before. The liner, I just got in a subscription box too. And I know the Glam Glow's been sent out before too. So, I mean, really, the only thing that's really new to me is the eye cream. I think I have the Amazing Grace. I don't know if I've got that one or not. I'm not really for sure. So when you guys get the samples of perfumes, do you prefer to get them like this, where you just pull the tap off and then take it? Or do you like the ones with the little sticks? Or do you like, I like the little spray ones the best. But that's just me. I used to like the ones with the little stick in it, but I don't know. I find them more convenient to have the spray on it. So I don't know. It was a good box. It was just, you know, I've already had the items before. So I'm not really happy with this box. But it was a good box. So, I guess that is it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to try Sephora for yourself, Play by Sephora for yourself, just go to Play by Sephora and you can sign up. And I guess hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you will be notified when I upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And while my subscription boxes are coming in, I do upload bonus videos during the week. And I guess that's it. I'll see y'all later. You guys have a good day.